quick, check out the surface that we're about to be running on. We're here at Beach Bend. We're running on a no prep surface, so I've already kind of walked it, and it's a little slimy. We had a rain that happened here earlier, so that's going to be a tricky deal that goes into our game plan to be able to try to get down the track. We're trying to figure out who we got to run for our first grudge race. I think I'm going to go give a Manny Virginia and see if he wants to run. There's a lot of people out here that don't want to race him, but I want to see where we compare with them. So I'm going to go out there and I'm going to see if I can run him this first pass, try to get some data, and get ready for the grade 8 tonight. I'm telling you, man, I think the surface is going to come around and it's going to get fast very, very quick. So we just got to keep playing with it. Check out the old bleachers. Everybody gets to be up underneath the shade. So I'm ready for it. We're gonna go out there, we're gonna see what we can do. You get 10 style points. Where's Manny?
You might take it off the shooter.
Nobody's perfect. No, human, man. Yeah, make people love that.
Yeah, but you did that shit twice.
Hey, practice makes perfect now.
Fucking human. Hey, the best thing was when he opened up the door, he's in there mashing. The shit don't fucking work. I was fucking crying. Me and Dad were watching on the way here. Don't fucking. Cool. You gotta hit the trans braking. You fuck around, hit the button, and push the chute. And then they run the chutes over, and then that's when it gets all tangled up. And cut it off.
It's over.
Yeah. When you tangle on the fucking chute on your car, you're fucked.
I haven't done that yet.
We had our car once, something that that's cool, they did.
There's an internet video that floats around, some recognition video of a bell wagon with planks against the roof. The wagon's parachute falls out on the starting line, and he runs the dude down and wins. The chutes right behind him. That's my little brother.
I should pull my shits on Justin.
Do that, yeah.
It's exceptionally hard on the
Hey,
motor.
not $10,000.
It's messing with
That money to do that.
Hey,
Do
to make sure it happens, I'll stand on the line. I'll pull it out and make sure it happens.
When you leave, just be back there and just
I'll hold the cable.
like whenever you're at the gym.
Yeah. I got it.
When's the last time you were in the gym? Shut the fuck up about
He
that.
drove past it today.
Did you really say that?
I don't got time to do it.
I love messing with you.
He works out, change
I am waiting for the day
transmission.
something happens. I just want to see like when someone goes there off the brake. Someone goes in the back of the car. We're here at Beach Bend Dragway. We are, what is this, race number 5, I believe it is. I've already lost track. There's been so much stuff that's happened in the last few events. You know, I've already told everybody about it. From wrecking the car, from getting on fire, to blowing the intake, to switching over to a screw blower. A lot of people didn't believe that we were switching to a screw blower, but we did. We ran last weekend. We were able to grudge race John Odom. He had an issue on the starting line. I feel like that race would have been side to side down at the other end, but because he had an issue, I made a solo pass and got the grudge win. But I'm happy with the screw blower setup. The screw blower is running extremely well right now. Is it as fast as the Pro Charger? I don't think so, not yet, but I only have handful of passes on it. We got 12, 13 passes where I have 200 on a Pro Charger. So hit me up a little bit later on in the season. Let me keep playing around with it. Let my dad keep playing with it. And let's see where we're going to be at. But as of right now, I do like the screw blower on top of it. And at the end of the day, it sounds cool. It may not be 100% fast, but it definitely sounds cool out there on the racetrack. So we're here at Beach Bend. We got a 4-car shootout coming up tonight. You already know we didn't get to run it at the last race because of curfew. So you got me versus John Odom. And you got Jim Howell versus going up against Stephen Brindle. So that's going to be the 4 cars tonight. $5,000 a piece. Everybody's putting in. $20,000 to win. So hopefully I can come out victorious, and we'll see what happens. All right. Clean that off there, Dude, I love it. Where's the gun at?
What I have is 3/8.
3/8. Put the wheel, well no, before I pull off the spline, I'm gonna put the wheel where I want it. The wheel needs to go at 10 o'clock.
What you need to do is put the wheel back where it was at, where you think it's straight. If you're saying 10 o'clock straight, then pull it off the spline, turn it, put it back on.
I know.
Is that what you said? I'm just saying the wheel was pointing that way right
Oh,
now.
no, I haven't pulled it off. What is that?
Well, I'm saying you already got air on the hook.
Well, yeah, I just turned the wheel. I haven't touched nothing here.
You not understand what you're doing, but you're not going to accomplish.
That's why I took this off. When I pull this rack off, it's too hard to pull all this. So right now, I'm just gonna pull the rack and push the rack back forward. As long as these haven't moved, the wheel will be straight. I'm gonna put my steering wheel straight, put the rack on, and then put these wheels back in. See how far it's off right now?
And the steering wheel is straight right now. Is that where you want it?
Do what now?
The steering wheel is straight right now, right?
It shouldn't be straight.
Oh, it's straight up and down. That's what I'm trying to say. That's what I'm saying. It won't work what you're trying to do.
We thought about putting it back in, Jeff.
Huh?
You want to put these back on? Look. Yeah, put these back on.
Is it on?
Let me put it on now.
That's how it should be right now.
Okay, now I want you to pull this out.
Oh, nobody touch the steering wheel, all right?
Pull that out.
Ryan! Yeah? Hey, hold that steering wheel where it's at, please. At 10? Wherever it's at right now, just hold it. It's going to be washed in here.
Yeah.
We'll put it back on.
All right.
Ryan, go straight up and down. Here, let me do it. So there's play in the wheel. Leave it right there. All right, now I want you to hold it firm grip. Don't move it. Thank you. Where's in your glove on? Don't too much, but just like rock it back and forth so I get it in a spline. Hold up. All right, where's the wheel look like now? Straight? Okay, I'm good with that. Hold that wheel there. All right, there's 4 washers that go up underneath. No. I'm talking about it right here.
One up on it. They're on it.
All right, get some.
to do?
So our first grudge race, we're gonna run Manny Bajinga right here behind you. I don't know. We're here. We got the car all fixed. We'll see if it just goes out the track and stays together. That's our game plan.
Hell yeah.
So it rained earlier. We'll see how the track is. We got a lot of great cars coming in front of us. Daddy Dave, Sean Murdenova, Ryan Martin. So we'll see if they go down the track, see what we got going on. We already kind of got a tune-up in there that we think will just go down. So we're going to figure it out. And like I said, we're running against Manny. Manny has been beating everybody up out here. So I'd like to see where we lean up against them. Win or lose, we're going to know exactly how fast we are, how fast they are.
Why did you lift? Something go wrong?
We just made our first pass going up against Manny Bajinga. I felt like I was out in front. The car went into a little small tire shake down there. I was having issues with steering coming to this track. We were trying to fix it. We went out there, we needed to make a pass. The steering wheel was off. You'll see that inside the car. So I was trying to hold it as straight as I could. And when it went into a little tire shake, I just got out of it. I wasn't gonna try to be a hero and try to run the track on that first pass. But we made some changes. The car acted to it and it did go faster. So we're happy with it. We need to go out there. We need to get everything ready because we got the 4-car shootout coming up here in a little while. So our game plan is get everything cooled back down, get it 100% ready, and we got to run John Odom here in a little bit for the 4-car shootout. We put $5 grand in each, and if we win 2 rounds, we get to walk home with $20,000. So we'll see how it goes here in a little while.